kabanza utwalize amabaraga katipa
kaninyo mzee kasenkuru
wasanga wanka
wansanga hati Mwibale katoke nzarwa harukoto mwemuti akayembe
hati oyo project cyane zo kwenda kutola
kandi ne project yenkoko project yempuno ndo urgonjo ndurwo akataka kana kange nakukataita tinyini takarikoto usi
hati bastugende turole enkoko zino kuziri
ati abakukara nibagamba ngo mzee itakora nyuma nyinyi kare nyandara mtamiro nango
kanoko
ati iyo warwate wakakasa ninko
noko
baitu bagambi mzee kara mtamiro niyo mwire
omurekereke moja akite tahe kulioti
wakati ni second phase first phase to mazi
first phase yenye mazi
ati ni second phase
taha mumunda niyo ndo bembe
kandi ruga yejino
mwebembe
buru tahi umwana
batejagama ngo osogano no tuyekera niyo project
ani
niyo wasanga tuzikuri
ziri
inyama zigina tizigina
hati zeno saa zeno
gina kilia bakupimira hakilo muleta na kilo wampimira huru ijopim
so it is measuring
kachilivi
2 kilograms. So how much is it right now at this level?
At this level, now it is only 5 weeks.
5 weeks, but how much if someone
if come to sell?
Yeah, if you sell.
Nyando mtoro na kasanju.
Close to 18,000.
18,000 between 17,000 and 18,000.
18,000.
Then I sell.
So how much? How many are all of these? Close to 400.
And down now you come bin.
Okay, so you
I have a poultry farm of 800,000.
800,000. Rather 800 chicks.
Yeah, chicken is tied.
Yeah.
Because they want money.
Guys, this is amazing project farm here, and the chicks are ready to be sold. If you want to come, they are now close to 2.5 kilograms. They are heavy, and each you can get it at
as time goes on.
Yes.
Unja kuleta onole nkoko ezindani ndinda at 2 months.
At 2 months.
You will, it will be amazing and more wonderful than this.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we should go and see other projects around here.
On a small piece of land.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are capturing a small piece of land. A very small piece of land. Hey.
So guys, do me a favor, like this video and share it with your friends. We are in the deep village here in Africa, Uganda, for Poultry. So we are in one of the passionate farmer. He owns very many projects here around, and we are still he's still showing us some of other projects that he has here around in the village. So let's take a tour, guys.
And this is a very small that I'm beginning now.
Yes.
This is a small project that I'm trying to begin. And I'm also trying.
So this is a figure project. These are the other ones are young. This one. So what do you have to say about this project?
This project, nibona kajitandika I'm just beginning.
You have just started.
You've just started.
Yes.
So as time goes by, I will increase it.
You will increase.
But now this is it is very small because I'm beginning. Even what you have seen there, I'm beginning. Me, I'm a new person in this village.
Yeah.
I'm from.
But you are doing an amazing job.
Yes.
How long have you been in this village?
Now it is only 1 year in this village.
Only here.
1 year.
And you did some amazing project like this.
Now this is the project right now.
He's a very hard-working man.
But this you are not selling.
I'm not yet selling. I'm trying to now
to make a startup.
I'm making a startup.
Okay.
But then when it comes to sell, it's alright. They will sell.
Okay.
They haven't produced yet.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So this is my banana plantation. That part is not mine.
Yes.
So what I'm doing here.
Oh, these are your banana plantation.
Banana plantation now.
Yeah.
On a very small piece of land.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah, you are really a passionate farmer.
I'm not a passionate farmer.
You are passionate.
I'm trying to work.
You are trying, but I'm seeing that you are doing amazing job around. So what? This is a garbage pit.
A rubbish pit.
Okay.
Where you put all the
rubbish.
which comes from there, and I put it here. After putting it here, I remove it as a manure and I put it into banana plantation.
Okay.
That is a banana. That you can pay. Me, I do just plant. I don't know their name.
Okay.
This is a banana.
The mulching is good.
Very small.
Yes.
But I can earn something.
Yes. Very amazing. So what advice can you give to someone who may start?
Whoever comes and approach me,
yes,
I don't hide, but my advice, be hardworking.
Okay.
You can use your energy, not even putting on some, comes from my hand.
Yeah.
I do all this what you have seen.
yes,
It's not doing by, we employ people. No, I don't have any employment.
out of your hands.
Out of my hands.
So which means you don't have a said manpower.
A side manpower can come after I will realize that I have felt now the thing is too much for me.
So don't you think that it is expensive to start it? Right,
it isn't expensive.
It is
but
not.
if you put on your energy, if your heart feels that you are, you can do anything.
Okay.
But you can do it. Everyone is able.
No
one can fail. Anyone can be able to use your land, to use your energy and your hands. The work we are doing is upon. God cannot bless you when you are doing nothing.
Okay.
But you just say, God bless the work of my hands. Now this is the work of my hands.
Okay. Do you have some harvests around you? You can show us the harvest so far.
Let us go. I have the harvest. Even the chicken you have seen, I am harvesting.
Yeah, you are harvesting, yeah.
Now, eat everything. You want to show a bit of harvesting. I think you can see everything.
Yeah, the sugar canes.
Everything is on my small piece of land.
When you come at your home, I can't.
You can't fail to live on.
Yeah.
Even you come at night,
Yes.
during overnight,
Yeah.
you can eat and drink.
Yes.
So these are my harvestings. I'm trying to harvest on my compound.
Yeah,
This
so-
is a very small compound.
Yeah, these are cassava.
Cassava. I'm trying to make a cassava flour now.
Yes.
So these are my harvests.
Yeah.
The chicken are there. Everything is there.
Okay.
That's how Kasankura I am.
Okay. Say bye bye to our friends
Bye
here,
bye to our
or
friends.
maybe
But
the last word.
whoever one wants to come and meet me
No.
is able and come and visit. We share
Yes.
any.
Okay.
The minds of ours is what will give us. It is you to look for your peace,
Yes.
and I look for my peace. through our hands and on our own. We can do it.
Knowledge, yes.
Let us use our energy.
Energy, yes, and on knowledge, of course.
The knowledge.
Yes.
That is all.
Okay,
I
thank
have
you.
nothing more.
Thank you very much.
Mm.
So,
You're
guys,
welcome.
I think today I visited our passionate farmer here in the village. He owns...
Mwibale Katoke.
Yes, Mwibale Katoke. He owns very many projects
Not
here,
very many, but
farming
very few.
projects.
I'm trying to do my best and
Yeah. So,
looking for my survival.
okay. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Kindly support me,
I'm
subscribe
trying
to my
look for
channel. I'm on the
survival.
road to 3K
I'm not looking
subscribers.
for a job, but looking for my survival.
Okay, this is UG Power 256. I sign out for today. Bye-bye.
It's all right.